Hello everyone. In today's Quick Tips video, we are going to discuss how to resolve a common issue when sending your projects from the MySawgrass design tool over to Sawgrass print utility. When printing a project from the design tool, it is important to make sure that pop-ups are being allowed by whatever browser you are working with. If pop-ups are blocked, your design will not successfully transfer to print utility. If you do encounter your project being blocked, the easiest way to allow pop-ups is by clicking on the notification that appears at the top of the screen. If for whatever reason this notification does not appear, there may be a notification in the URL bar that allows you to enable pop-ups. It will oftentimes appear on the far right of the URL bar next to your bookmark icon. Once you enable pop-ups from MySawgrass, your projects will then transfer over to Sawgrass print utility, and you can start to print your completed designs. Please keep in mind that you only need to allow pop-ups for MySawgrass. You do not need to change the permissions for any other website. Please also be aware that if you clear your cookies or update your browser, you may need to go through this process again. If you continue to experience any issues with your projects transferring between programs, please contact the Sawgrass support team for further assistance. That's all for today. See you next time.